Preparations are underway in the dusty village of Kheechan in Rajasthan. It is time for the annual arrival of their favourite guests. The local community trust and villagers have stocked up on hundreds of kilos of grain to welcome the winter migrants. They arrive in thousands. Some have journeyed more than 5,000 kilometers. Demoiselle Cranes, the smallest of all cranes, are here to stay from late August to March. This story began in the 1970s when a Kheechan resident, Ratanlal Malu, started feeding 80-odd birds. The word spread and the feasts became bigger every year. The fenced chugga ghar, or feeding home, keeps the birds safe, and the nearby ponds give them water and a place to preen. But this was not always so. With the increase in numbers, the birds had been falling prey to high-voltage electricity poles around the feeding grounds. It was a Kheechan resident, Sevaram Malli Parihar, who fought hard with civic agencies until cables were moved underground. What was once just a stopover has today become the focal point for Demoiselle crane migration in the region. The community members are proud ambassadors and have built viewing platforms on their terraces, welcoming visitors to what is now the Kheechan Bird Sanctuary. And while the cranes have learnt remarkably well to coexist with people, the increase in the number of tourists means a delicate balance will have to be struck in Kheechan.